Have you ever made your own snack or meal? Today, we are learning about food you can make by yourself. We'll talk about using a microwave, a toaster, and an air fryer. And we'll also talk about foods and drinks you can make without any cooking at all. Before you start, before preparing any food, make sure to wash your hands with soap and water. Check that your workspace is clean, and get all your ingredients and tools ready. Now you're ready to start. No cook snacks. You can make easy snacks without any cooking. Can you think of some examples? You can try making things like yogurt with fruit, cereal and milk, crackers and cheese, a fruit plate, or trail mix. No cook meals. You can also make simple meals without doing any cooking. Some examples are peanut butter and jelly sandwich, turkey and cheese sandwich, bagel with cream cheese, or a salad with dressing. Simple microwave foods. A microwave can heat food quickly and safely. Do you have any favorite foods you can make in the microwave? You can try frozen microwave meals, instant oatmeal, microwave popcorn, or soup in a microwave-safe bowl. Simple toaster foods. A toaster is good for bread and similar foods. You can try making toast, bagels, frozen waffles, or English muffins. Air fryer meals. An air fryer cooks food using hot air. Have you ever used an air fryer? Try making frozen chicken nuggets, frozen fries, pizza rolls, or frozen vegetables. You can sometimes make similar meals in a toaster oven. Drinks. You can also prepare simple drinks, like smoothies in a blender or hot chocolate in a microwave. What are your favorite drinks? Clean up. After you eat, you should be sure to throw away trash, put food back in the fridge, wash dishes or load the dishwasher, and wipe the counter. Cleaning up is a part of being independent. Let's review. Did you know that there are so many things you can make on your own? You can use tools like a microwave or toaster safely, and you can clean up when you're done. Learning basic food prep helps you take care of yourself. Now let's get cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.